Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the When My Soul Whispered Oracle deck by Melissa Selvaggio with artwork by Jess O'Connor. This is published by US Game Systems, and shout out to them for sending it our way, so thank you so much for sending this to us. This is fantastic. This retails for $23.95, and as always, I will link in the description box below where you can purchase it should you want to. Oh, how cute is this packaging? And it's so tiny. It's not quite a mini size, but those are my hands. When My Soul Whispered Oracle deck presents charming minimalistic imagery from the realms of nature and spirituality. The chakra-based watercolor artwork in this 44-card glittery-edged deck serves as a starting point for readers to connect with the meanings on a personal soul level. The 164-page illustrated guidebook invites contemplation of the cards with gentle messages and mantras. All right, so let's open it up. Oh, so cute. I'm loving this little owl. All right. Oh my gosh, the back. Oh, cute. And there's the edges. Look at that. Love. All right, so before we get into it, let's just take a peek at the guidebook real fast. All right, my dream was to create a deck with minimal imagery, focusing on only one or two central colors per piece. The idea was that the simple illustrations would serve as a starting point for the user to discover what the image meant to them without being bogged down by excessive details. What initially began as a list of 44 keywords grew into 44 roughly sketched drawings with a vague color palette and some scrawled notes about the relationship between the image and keyword. Awesome. Okay, so there's more. Okay, so I have structured each page as follows, and I hope that the information offers you enough without being too much. So a keyword, which is the bare stripped down back essential feeling of the card. Quote, a poignant message that sums up the energy of the card. Meaning, an expanded text describing possible interpretations of the card, and my light. So keywords that encompass the positive aspects of the card. Oh, and my shadow, keywords that touch on the negative aspects of the card and will help bring attention to areas that may currently be blocked or need further examination. My sacred words, an affirmation, mantra, or chant that evokes the meaning of the card through one spoken sentence. And chakra association. The deck was originally created based loosely on the 9-point chakra system with keywords and colors chosen specifically on the basis the predominant card colors are used to resonate with the particular chakra identified. All right. Raison d'être, from the French meaning purpose or reason for being. This entry provides a brief explanation for the choice of illustration for each card to provide you with an understanding of the card's role in the deck. All right, then it goes into the chakras. Look at that spread. So we have honeycomb, past, present, future, aware, hidden advice, and then it goes into the cards. So there's no table of contents, so you're going to have to go through them alphabetically. Now let's get to the flip through. So as we saw before, here's the back. There's a slight gloss to it. It's not terribly glossy. I'm loving the edges. And look at how cute. So no borders. I really do like the simplicity of the artwork and just the one keyword, so you don't necessarily have to have the guidebook next to you. I really like this concept. The cardstock, nice. It's thicker than what I would have thought it would be. I like it. Snaps back. I'm excited to see how it shuffles. And honestly, so far, I feel like this would be a great daily deck to use. So for whatever questions you need answering or help with, introspective work, love the bee. And it's interesting that it's balance and not like, communication or busy work, that sort of a thing. So that's cool. I'm really intrigued about the guidebook. I love a chonky bird. Oh, yay, we have a hummingbird. Cute. This was one deck I was really excited about when it was announced. I was really attracted to the art style of the packaging. Oh, I love that. This reminds me of the Winter Seer Animal Oracle, just with its simplicity and the watercolor art style of Ciolo Thompson. Oh, look at that fox. Oh, stunning. Cute. Lots of detail for it being so minimalistic. Oh, sweet. Oh, I love. Very interesting takes. That sun is gorgeous. That looks like a tattoo inspiration right there. I would happily have that tattooed. Oh, I love that. Oh, and the keyword for that. Oh, love it. What a gentle deck. And I do really like, oh, beautiful, how it allows you to use your own intuition with the keyword and the picture. It's not, it gives you that room and that grace to vibe with it on your own, in your own way. Beautiful. Oh, interesting. Cute. The keyword for that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Because don't you feel like you are worthy and chosen when a ladybug, decides to land on you or crawl across your hand when you're gardening? Ugh, I love that. Oh, it looks like these are, what are these? The chakra? Yeah. Sorry, I get ahead of myself. The chakra points. I love that addition. Okay, so let's shuffle and we'll pull a card. And I have to make a comment that since there is this edging or gilding or whatever you want to call it, the cards were not sticking to each other. They were easy to pull apart, but if yours are sticking, just be very gentle when you peel them apart. Otherwise they'll, tear. Not bad. Don't have an issue. All right, let's shuffle it this way. Yeah, I really like how it shuffles. It doesn't stick. It doesn't have any issues. It's flexible, but it snaps back and it glides between your hands really well. Yeah, not an issue. Okay, so let's read for Divinity here. The little angel wings. All right, so we're gonna just flip through. Okay. The two most important days in your life are the day you were born and the day you found out why. Mark Twain. Every human born into existence is divinity given human form. Oftentimes, we forget this fact and find ourselves at the mercy of self-doubt and self-criticism. It is time to realize that your divine self is perfectly ample, without trying, barefaced and naked, with everything. When everything has been stripped away and you stand broken, know that in this moment you are enough. Realize with absolute certainty that your divine self, complete with all of your perceived flaws, imperfections, and shortcomings, can never be enough. But who you are is enough. Stop engineering your outward appearance as one of perfection. Stop feeding into the endless rhetoric of toxic comparison, all the while allowing your self-worth to plummet. Everything you are and everything you will be has always been and will always be perfect. So my light, enough, ample, adequate, perfectly imperfect. So my shadow, deficient, lacking, insufficient, unsatisfactory. My sacred words. I am perfect exactly as I am, right here, right now. The chakra association is crown. And then the raison d'être, hopefully I'm saying that correctly. Angels represent the inherent divinity of all beings. The wings serve as your reminder that even during your greatest times of vulnerability, the divine always resides within. You are perfectly imperfect. Okay, so my takeaway from all of this, I think I only have one complaint. And my one complaint is that there isn't a table of contents. Let me double check. Yeah, there isn't a table of contents that helps you completely flip to your direct card, but that is not the be all end all, right? I mean, it's easily manipulated to where you can find your specific card. I think it is super gentle, very much full of information, very helpful, whether you are a beginner or advanced with divination. This is perfectly accessible for you, right? So it's beautifully done. I love the quality of it. The cardstock is fantastic. I love the extra gilding there. The artwork, like I said, beautiful. I love the addition of adding the colors with the chakra points. And also, whilst there may be images and animals that we have seen before in other decks, the keywords are completely different. So something I wasn't expecting to see, which is fantastic. And I love the addition of the chakra cards themselves. So if you want to focus on just chakra reads, that's fantastic to have as well. So I am kind of blown away about this. I really love it. I think that it is a great size, it is a great number of cards, and it's very useful for whatever you want to use it for. There's something that you can attain with this. So now I throw it to you. What do you think about this deck? Is it something that you're excited about? Do you already own it? Is it something that you haven't heard about and now you're interested? Or is this a complete hard pass for you? Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down in the comments section below. Thank you again to US Game Systems for sending this deck our way. I so appreciate it, and it still blows me away. And not only that, don't forget to check out the description box where I have all the links for this if you want to purchase it, as well as my own link tree in there that will give you all of my social links, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. So with that being said, thank you all for hanging out with me. Thank you for coming back, and it blows me away every time I see you guys. So thank you so much for that. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thanks again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.